You hear this a lot. To get views on YouTube, you need a good catchy thumbnail and a high quality video. Well, today I will prove you that that's always not the case. In fact, I have a video that's getting tractions and gaining more views even though thumbnail and the video quality sucks. Well, there is more than just video quality and thumbnail in the YouTube to get more views. There's a secret there which most YouTubers don't want to share because you might be stealing their views or they might want to sell you a course. Who knows? Today I want to talk about the importance of your video thumbnail and quality in your videos. In fact, I have done an experiment recently in my own channel that what might be the impact or what might be the secret behind getting more views instead of everything we have heard about. As I have told that I had a video recently gaining tractions despite having poor thumbnail and video quality. That actually made me curious about the secret that many YouTubers seems to create it to themselves. The test was simple in theory. To increase click-through rate, I need an eye-catchy thumbnail and a high-quality video which can be achieved by good video editing. And to be honest, my skill of creating a thumbnail and editing video is very poor. To address this, I have hired a good graphic designer and a professional video editor from Fiverr and Freelancer. Although the experience was not up to that mark, nonetheless, I have continued my test. So I provided them the title of my video and the raw footage. After giving them the materials, they went to utilize their creativity and they have given me the final version. I must tell that the quality, the video editing was really better than what I could do and the thumbnail was catchy. They have done the graphics, transitions, filters, everything is needed in that video. I have uploaded that video and after a few days when I was analyzing the video, that outsourced video performed just an average click-through rate of 6.2% and which was the highest being 11 and the average percent view on that video was 31%. Although it wasn't enough to trigger the YouTube algorithm on my view satisfaction. A week later, I released my own edited video. Well, I have created the video, I have edited that myself with my below average or poor level editing and I created the thumbnail myself and I just released it to let the YouTube help with me the experiment. And that video got me the click-through rate of 7% and the percentage viewed was 42%. Surprisingly, my self-created video was performing better than the outsourced video from the professionals. What and how that happened? That led me to an important realization. That led me revealing the algorithms or revealing the secret that I wanted to find out, and that exact result or secret you will be knowing in this video. While video editing and thumbnail creation skills are important, but they are not crucial factors in attracting the viewers. The main factors that hook the viewers into watching your videos and stay in your video is the topic, title and timing, which I called T-Cube. In my experiment, the outsourced video had the evergreen title while my video was focused on news and trends, making it more current. And the title style was also different. One is triggering emotions while other is providing information. I have focused in the self-created video most is that my script, my research on that topic, what the viewers wanted to know, what they are surfing for the YouTube. I believe that catchy thumbnails grabs your viewers' attention for a second while scrolling through the feeds, right? However, it is the title that truly makes viewer click. This explains why titles are always clickbaity, as they trigger emotions and curiosity. Additionally, timing plays an important role while gaining views. My self-created video gained momentum after 8 to 10 days of uploading, despite no changes to the thumbnail, and it's still gaining more viewers and more viewers. And this type of video momentum is ideal for consistent views and channel growth. Well, if you check my channel, that you will see that I don't have thousands and thousands of views, but the video I have created for the experiment crossed 1,000 views, which is more than the average in my channel. So that is the base I have done this experiment, and I would say the experiment was successful. So to replicate this success, topic, title and timing, the T-Cube are crucial. While searchable title works, but they are not as powerful as your video to be suggested. In my case, my video appeared in suggested list while people search for making money online using ChatGPT. I actually did that, and I actually did the research while creating the video, and from my practical knowledge, from my practical experience, and that video had a value. So viewers like that video, like to watch that video, that's why it suggested more. So even if you have a catchy title, if your content is empty from inside, then that makes no sense, trust me. And the timing, the current video, I have released that video while there was a craze of making money using ChatGPT, and that actually worked. So that's why I'm saying that you must focus on TCube formula, which is a topic, title and timing. Leveraging trends and creating compelling titles that trigger emotions are the key. Although thumbnails play a lesser role, but don't underestimate that as well. They still need to capture attention in all of the feeds that your viewers are scrolling, right? In conclusion, I hope this experiment and analysis help you to understand the importance of video thumbnails, the quality, and what other factors play to make your videos dive into the algorithm of YouTube. I have done a whole lot of research and I have done a lot of time and money to do this experiment, and this result is in front of you for free. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like to help push it to the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe and like this video. And thanks for watching. See you soon, and you can make it. Bye.